Hi, this is Henrik from Cloud App Studio. In this tutorial I will show you how you can embed Cloud App Studio based forms into your Google site. To embed a form you need to add a custom gadget into your Google site. So I will show you how this is done. In this case what we're seeing is a very simple Google site with an embedded form. So this is the result we want to accomplish. And having a form like this means that the users need to be able to contribute or edit, but at least be contributors. So let's go into a Cloud Studio application and change the access so they at least are anyone is a contributor. So anyone is a contributor. That means they can use the forms. Okay, the second thing is to create something called a gadget. And let's just look what a gadget could look like. This is a gadget is an XML file which has some data, and this is the way you are able to include script tags, which is something we use to embed Cloud Studio based forms. So this definition needs to be added somewhere on the web, and the simple thing is to add it in Cloud Studio. So let's copy this sample code, which we will modify a bit, and go back into Cloud Studio. So either you can save this locally as a file, the file you saw in Notepad, or we can create a file using Pages, and let's do that because it's easier to modify afterwards. Let's call it gadget XML, press OK. So let's paste our code, and what we want is in this C data area, this is where we want to paste the form we want to embed. This application is just one of the sample apps that you create using the tutorial when you create a new application. So with it comes a sample form which we will inject. So under components, inject forms, sample form. So let's just copy this and paste it. And one additional thing is to tell Google Sites where this XML definition resides, or where the script can be found. So we need to appspot.com, cloudappstudio.appspot.com / like that. So now let's save this. And to make the look and feel in Cloud App Studio based applications really nice, we have something called layouts. So in this case we would show this page in the Cloud App Studio context together with the application layout, which renders, for example, navigation, headers and footers. But in the Google site we have a Google site as the context. So let's remove this show with application layout. Now we are done with the XML file, and all we need is the URL. So we just open this and copy the URL. Now let's go into this Google site, go into edit mode, and let's say we want to have our form into this area. So insert. Here you have all the different predefined gadgets, but Cloud Studio is still not a predefined gadget, so we need to go into more gadgets. Add gadget by URL, and just paste the URL like that and click add. And let's preview the gadgets so we see if the area is enough. We can see this is actually the submit button, it's not displayed. So let's go back into configuration and change the height for this. Preview gadget. Yeah, now it looks fine. You can also see that you could like include a scroll bar, include a border, and so on. But let's settle with this. Click OK. Save your Google site page, and you're done. So let's test this. Name Henrik. Submission from my Google site. Thank you. Okay. And the final step, let's just go in and see the submitted data. And here we go. So I hope this tutorial will help you embed forms into your Google sites. Good luck!